Welcome to UMS Tech Labs. In today's video, we'll show you the future of bots. You all must have seen chat bots, but with UMS technology, without any CapEx involvement, you can now have voice bots. These bots can talk to humans just the way a human would. This is super useful for, say, consulting or for giving product information. So let's begin with the demo. Let's assume Nikhil is calling the voice bot system. As he calls, he can ask information about a particular product, and as you can see, the system gives information about that product in real time. So yes, over to you, Nikhil. Now Nikhil is just triggering a phone call onto one of our numbers.
Tell us product name of which you want description.
Dripper.
The system understands he needs information on drippers, and this is what it will be.
Drippers are used for online drip irrigation system. Each of our dripper is designed to suit difficult soil conditions, water needs of various crops, difficult water quality, and numerous requirements of agriculture. Innovative design, precision molding, use of quality raw material, and stringent quality tests are the key factors behind the sustainable and efficient performance of our online dripper for drip irrigation. Narrow cross-shaped inlet acts as a filter, and colored cap represents flow rate and facilitates easy identification. Manufactured from virgin plastic for stable performance. These devices are UV stabilized and are able to withstand environmental effect. Recommended for orchards, fruit crops, vegetables, nurseries, and flowers.
So there you go. And just saw everything was spoken by the system itself, understanding the intent of what Nikhil wanted. Finally, I must note that the system works well with all existing setups and does not need any new CapEx investment. The UMS pay-per-use system ensures you can start small and grow. Thank you so much for watching this video.